let people do as much as they can. Now that we have found that, we hear that it is it's a better.
She may not like my answer. She may not like how I answer. She may not like the content of my answer. But I am answering.
Love you, BBM.
Putang ina.
BBM, ang dapat maging presidente.
Bongbong Marcos.
I love you, BBM.
Anong ginawa ko? Binigay ko.
And House Bill number 767, 67, 39. Nalala ko po yung anak ko 67. Establishing the Philippine Geriatric Center, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the following senators are hereby designated as conferees on the disagreeing provisions of Senate Bill 1509 and House Bill 6739. Senator Risa Hontiveros as chairperson.
Good morning, Mr. President. Ibon Foundation said that billions of fund control funds concentrated in the ruling parties. May we get your comments, sir? Are you aware of it?
That is the case in every single how do you say, legislative body. Siyempre, the majority party is the majority party. So silang pinakamarami. But again, if there's nothing particularly about that. They are the most numerous in the House.
Putang ina ninyo. Putang ina kayo. Putang ina mo. Putang ina mo.
Humble understanding. Again, I am not a lawyer, Mr. President.
Senator,
Nag-iisip lang. I'm just guided by the Holy Spirit, Mr. President. To be honest, Holy Spirit is guiding me all the time.
Gusto mo harasin ako, harasin mo lang ako. Kasi matapang ka lang naman, we have the position pero gusuntukan tayo. Alam ko makaya, bilita. Ganun lang. But you're a coward. You are nothing without your position. Sa totoo lang.
Tamang-tama dahil marami ang nasalanta ngayon ng bagyo at baha. Maybe we can use this moment or this opportunity for to raise funds in a charity boxing match this coming para mabilis this coming Sunday sa Araneta 12 rounds pwede 12 rounds sa sundukan para maganda at para medyo marami-rami ang ma-raise natin siguro you can find sponsors per round may mag-sponsor so let's place their merchandise before each round so 12 rounds para medyo marami-rami ang sponsor marami tayong ma-raise na pondo.